Policing Oversight Authority IPOA is being put to test. An ongoing power struggle at the Upper Hill-based government body threatens to paralyze the operations of IPOA if Parliament does not intervene. These sentiments emerged during the police working group address to the media here in Nairobi. The group has condemned the unprecedented suspension of the IPOA Chief Executive Officer. The group fears that the current board could water down what has previously been the good work or what they say of IPOA.
That level of oversight is now being affected by the kind of the crisis that's within the board and the arbitrariness in which some of the decisions are being made at the board level. And that's why we are inviting the parliamentary committee that is responsible to conduct a thorough investigation. Some of the concerns we have is the arbitrary firing of the CEO. The board is allocating itself a mandate that is not within the law or the constitution. They are calling themselves commissioners, yet they are board members. And we all know that the role of board members is simply to provide oversight and to give policy directions.
In our understanding, the board of any independent body is a policy and oversight body and not an operational one. The current situation in IPOA dictates otherwise, and therefore the need to review the status quo with regard to this board. We remain supportive of IPOA team as we recognize the critical role it plays in driving the police reforms transformational agenda. We call upon Kenyans to resist any attempts to erode the hard-fought independence of IPOA for the safety and security of all.